Hi guys, let's learn how to do keyword research on Ubersuggest. Firstly, just go on Google and type Ubersuggest. Click the first link which comes. You just need to, if you don't sign up, that's fine. You just need to sign in here, as I don't have an account. Mostly it's a problem with Ubersuggest. They actually make you sign in again and again. In a paid account also they make you sign in again and again. There's actually a problem with the tool, but it's quite easy and it's very simple. Right now, I'm making you search through a free account. I haven't paid anything on it. Just go to Ubersuggest and click on keyword research. Here you find multiple options like keyword overview, keyword ideas, keyword visualization, keyword traffic. Okay, first we click on keyword overview. Here they'll give you a section where you can actually type a keyword which is in your head. Plus the language, you can change the language if you want. This is English by default and the location is India. It's by default, and they'll tell you the traffic volume, trends, difficulty, everything over here. For example, I'll type keyword research tool only. Tool here. Okay, when I type the keyword research, so basically they'll give a 3 daily free searches in the free version. Right now I'm using a free version. You can actually get the paid version also. I'll tell you what the paid version is. It's very cheap, it's not that costly also. Firstly, they'll give you a search volume. So for this particularly keyword research tool keyword, it's 990 search volume. Keyword difficulty is 72, which is high. Its paid difficulty it's 19, sorry 13, and the cost per click is this much, right? They'll give you in a paid version, they'll tell you the everything like mobile volume if you want to do the historical keyword data, but here they'll tell you what's a mobile, how many people are searching towards mobile, and how many people are searching to desktop. It's pretty same actually. And in the paid version they'll tell you how many people are using it, clicks through SEO paid, and how many people are getting no clicks. And similarly they'll give you age wise demographical data, like which age group is searching more, particularly this volume. Then they'll give you keyword ideas, right? Like I typed only keyword research volume, keyword research tool. So they'll give you multiple of the similar type of keyword which are actually have good volume, right? Like the best keyword research tool free, keyword research tool YouTube. So many of the people are searching these type of keywords also. They'll give you some of the keywords. The rest the keywords, if you click in, they'll give you multiple of the keywords here, like the long tail keyword, short tail keyword, best keyword research tool to top free keywords. They'll give you multiple of keywords over here, right? This you get in a free plan. If you want to do the paid plan, you can actually click on it and get the paid plan also. Other than that, they give you content ideas. For example, they give you, for example, on this particularly keyword research tool, this website is ranking, right? YouTube keyword research tool available to it now. Okay, and what are estimated keywords this website, this particular link has is 24, and the backlinks this particularly link has stated is 99. And on Facebook they had triple two you're sharing, and Pinterest they're sharing this similar to that. So basically they provide a top links of the websites who are ranking on the particular keywords with the estimated visits, backlinks, and obviously social sharing. If you click on this view all content ideas, they give you more of the word searches, and again, of course you can upgrade to 10,000 more content if you opt for a paid plan. This is you get in a free plan. Okay, now the third thing is keyword visualization. In keyword visualization, what if you type, I'll type the same keyword over here. Sorry, I have a bit cold. Okay, in this keyword visualization, if you'll see, they'll actually give you a visualization of like what kind of a topic you can actually write on. Like for example, they had given it from how many of the topics you can actually opt and write on the particular keyword, like how do keyword research, how to make a keyword research tool, how many keyword research, like that. Similarly, they give you starting with is, which, what, and why. Same way, if you search on data, they give you but everything in like here, like how to make keyword research tool, how many keywords in research paper, why, what is keyword research tool, and like that. Similarly, it will they give an option of filtering through volume. If you set a particular volume, like if you want 1 to 1000, they'll you can select it. You can select based on the keyword difficulty also, and similarly you can select it from CPC also, right? And you can, if you have a particular set of, like if you don't want how, or you don't want how, you can click in how here, and they'll exclude all the how keywords. If you don't want, if you want particularly how only, then it will keep the how keywords, like that. The same way, if you click on preposition, they'll give you these are the keywords. You know, comparison versus, like that. They'll give you these keywords, like that. And the another thing is, another option they'll Ubersuggest give you is keyword by traffic. In keyword by traffic, what you can do is, you can actually, if you have a particular URL, right, and if you want to find what exactly how many keywords that particular keyword is ranking on, right, here I can show you, I'll show you it. Amazon, right, click on a sponsored link, so just take the particular link. If I click on Amazon here, so there are all those keywords Amazon is ranking. Obviously these are huge, right? So whatever website you want, if for example you have a particular website XYZ name, you can actually enter the website, and you can find out what your competitors is ranking on the number of keywords. So you can actually see what are the keywords your competitors are ranking, how many volume the particular keyword has, and you can like how is the position your that particular keyword the company is ranking on, how many estimated visits the competitor is gaining, everything, right, and updated also. So accordingly, you can make the content and keyword strategy, like that. So that's all in Ubersuggest. So before that, what I'll do is, uh, at last I'll tell you the pricing also. It is, first pricing is, they give you a 7-day free, but if you search, they give you in dollars. What they do is monthly, right? So $20 per month, in which they'll give you 300 searches per day, 7 domains you can actually do the proper on page, 150 track keywords you can do, 10 competitors per domain you can do that, and 5,000 scans, and 2 users can use it. Same day in $12 per month. It will decrease from 150 searches per day, 1 domain, 125 track keywords per domain, 5 competitors per domain, 1,000 pages, and 1 user. Right. So if you search one, get 1,000. And similarly, if you have an enterprise, like for example, if you have a social media agency, or like you have multiple clients, you can opt for a $40 also. So that's it for Ubersuggest. Let me know if you have any doubts or anything. You can actually comment. Thank you so much, guys.